DJI has done it again, but this time, not on purpose. In what can only be described as a wild slip-up, DJI accidentally revealed their upcoming pocket-sized camera, the Osmo Nano. The drama started when leaker Jasper Ellens caught the hidden gem tucked away in a promo video, showcasing the camera in plain sight for anyone sharp enough to notice. And of course, it didn't take long for the discovery to spread like wildfire online. But wait, it gets better. Not long after, a second image of the Osmo Nano appeared on the internet, fueling even more speculation and excitement. Creators and fans everywhere began buzzing with questions. Is this the official launch? Was DJI planning a surprise drop? Or is this all part of a bigger plan to build hype? Even well-known tech personalities on social media hinted at exciting announcements coming soon, keeping the suspense alive. One thing is absolutely clear: the Osmo Nano is real, and people are fired up about it. So let's dive deep into what makes the Osmo Nano such a head-turner. At the heart of this tiny device is a magnetic main camera module that takes flexibility to a whole new level. Unlike traditional clip-on systems, the Nano uses magnetic surfaces on nearly every side, and some leaks suggest it can even switch polarity. This clever engineering means you're not limited to a single mounting style. You can slap it on metal surfaces, attach it to accessories, or use DJI's new wearable lanyard system to film totally hands-free. That kind of freedom is a creator's dream. Now, let's talk usability. The Nano isn't just compact. It's designed for speed and simplicity. It comes with built-in storage options and a sharp OLED HD touchscreen, giving you direct control without needing a smartphone. Quick charging support means you're ready to shoot again in no time, and the addition of an SD card slot provides expandable memory, perfect for long shooting sessions. Accessories are where DJI really shines, and the Nano looks no different. Expect a range of mounts, from suction cups to universal GoPro adapters, plus that slick magnetic lanyard that lets you wear the Nano discreetly under your clothing for effortless POV filming. Imagine hiking, cycling, or even just walking through the city, capturing smooth, cinematic shots without ever holding a camera. What makes the Osmo Nano really stand out is its design language. It doesn't just look like a gadget, it feels like something you'd actually wear as an accessory. Its small, stylish frame blends in so naturally that it could almost pass as a pin or badge. Clip it to your shirt, hat, or backpack, and you're instantly filming with zero hassle. The only downside? It's so small that you might accidentally forget it's there, and nobody wants to find out how it holds up after a trip through the laundry. Despite its size, the Osmo Nano doesn't cut corners. Early leaks suggest it will feature AI-powered stabilization, ensuring buttery-smooth footage even during fast-paced action. There are also whispers of a magnetic screen module for added flexibility and possible support for wireless microphones. Huge news for vloggers and content creators. And here's the real kicker. Rumors say the Nano might sync directly with DJI drones. Just picture this. Your drone captures sweeping aerial shots overhead, while the Osmo Nano records your POV on the ground. You'd essentially have a multi-camera setup without carrying extra gear. Compared to rivals, the Nano feels like the perfect blend of power and discretion. While other wearable cameras lean bulky or overly complex, the Osmo Nano comes across as sleek, subtle, and effortlessly cool. It's built for people who don't want to fuss with complicated gear, they just want to live in the moment and still capture it beautifully. All signs point to the Osmo Nano being more than just another product. It could redefine how creators approach wearable filming. The action camera world has always been competitive, but the Osmo Nano proves DJI isn't afraid to experiment and push boundaries. By blending advanced features into an ultra-compact design, DJI is showing us a new vision for wearable cameras. It's not just about making gear smaller, it's about making it smarter, faster, and easier for creators to use in everyday life. From the first accidental reveal to the second image leak, DJI has managed to spark one of the biggest waves of buzz in recent memory. Fans are already comparing it to the competition, but honestly, the Nano feels like it's carving its own lane. It's wearable, magnetic, and incredibly versatile, almost like a creative extension of yourself. Here at Technify, we'll be keeping a close eye on this one. The Osmo Nano isn't just on the horizon, it's about to shake up the way we think about action cameras. Stay tuned, because this little powerhouse is just getting started.